Hey everyone, my name is Hydro and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get all the mobs from Minecraft Earth into Minecraft Pocket Edition. Now as you guys can see, so there are many mobs in my inventory, and if you head over here, as you guys can see, so there are a lot more mobs. And yeah, so these are basically all the mobs that are there in Minecraft Earth, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get them in Minecraft Pocket Edition. And now without further ado, let's begin by firstly, what you need to do is click on the link in the description down below. And once you do that, you'll be taken to this set, and basically all you have to do is scroll down. Alright, so just scroll all the way down, and you need to scroll all the way down to under downloads, and you'll see this green text Minecraft Earth add-on. Just go ahead and click on that. Now it's going to ask you to download. I already downloaded it once before, but I'm going to do it anyway. And now what you need to do is go ahead and click on open. Now open with Minecraft. Alright, so now it's going to say import started. And now it's going to say global. Okay, so for me it says fail to import because I already have it, and it says duplicate pack reported. But for you, basically all you have to do once you get import successful, what you need to do is go into settings and head into global resources, and then check under my packs. All right. And under my packs it should be there, and then you need to click on activate. For me, I've already activated it, and if you have any other packs that is installed and activated, you need to deactivate that. And now I'm just going to head out. It's going to say loading resource pack, and now go ahead and click on play, create new world. All right, you can do this to your existing world as well, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to head into creative, and over here resource pack, under resource pack, what you need to do is click on activate on Minecraft Earth, and under behavior pack as well, you need to do it for both. And as you guys can see, so I've done it for both a behavior pack and the resource pack, and that's the reason I have it. All right, now I'm just going to go ahead and create the world. Remember, you have to do it for both behavior pack and resource pack. You need to activate it while creating a world, otherwise it won't work. All right, guys, now that the world has loaded up, let me just open up my inventory. So it's a bit laggy, so really sorry about that, guys. But anyway, so let me just open my inventory, and as you guys can see, so rainbow sheep, cookie cow, we have a lot of different things in this add-on. So I'm just going to show you an example of 3 different things. As you guys can see, for some reason my FOV is a bit strange. All right, anyway, so as you guys can see, this is complete proof that it works, and these are the mobs from Minecraft Earth itself. And yeah, guys, with that we have come to a conclusion in this video. So if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. And in the meantime, go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are on your screen right now. And I'll catch you guys over there now. See ya.